Say God, oh, put my enemies to shame, oh. Make them know, say, Oluwa cover me, oh, yeah. My God, oh, me, I just want to
Any question of the day?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, eat me.
Brother Shaggy, what are the things you look for in a woman?
What I look for inside?
Brother Shaggy, hold on. Just before you say rubbish, let me explain well.
I'm who they say rubbish? I'm attention to your head.
What?
You ask me a question, okay, wait. What is a thing I look for inside? And I won't give you answer to your reply. They say rubbish. You dey okay?
It's not like that now. That's not what I meant.
So what is actually now what you meant?
I mean, what are the things you look for in a woman that you like?
So did I now say okay? Well, I don't know. Say now waiting one talk. Well, number one thing when we say people know they look at it's a important thing. Understand? It's a what they call that? It's a cushion. That's a intellectual abdomen.
What's that?
You see, if we even go school party, so you don't know intellectual abdomen. I go teach you. Intellectual abdomen it's like, how do I put it? It's like the brain boss. It's not like a car. It's like the brain boss of a girl. And some girls now, if they come from their mama womb, they will forget their brain inside the womb, so they know they get sense.
Oh my God.
So and number two thing is a curriculum. Oh yeah, that's our curriculum. You understand? Everything must stay. You understand? But actually, that's the number one thing the man must check. But I just put that for number two. Maybe no be like that we buy children. You understand? So our curriculum we must balance. Oh yeah, because we go say the first impression is a last long vitamin C.